dreaming so much lately about your face when you're smiling. It's the only thing that saves me. Hey, I don't know if I told you that I think you're beautiful, and how I can't wait to hold you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know what I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. I don't wanna be without you. This is something that I know for sure. It's just something about you. I just want more. Tell me what you wanna do right now. Tell me what you wanna do tonight. I really don't care as long as I'm with you. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. Look into my eyes, you can use them as a mirror. You're my ticket to paradise.
What's for lunch, honey?
Let's see, we've got chicken salad and crackers, or tuna and crackers. And we've got cheese crackers and fruit snacks and peanut butter sandwiches. And more fruit snacks. And more cheese crackers going.
And a Nature Valley bar.
Oh, and a granola.
That's what I'm talking about. I'm having, already ate a Nature Valley bar. And
I have to clean the spoon.
I have Starfish prepackaged tuna that I'm gonna have raw. And then I have some granola bites.
They are naked.
We like bare naked stuff around here. So, lunch on the go. Where are we?
We're in Fresno.
Fresno.
And about an hour away from Yosemite?
Yeah, I think an hour and 15 minutes from Yosemite. We got one more stop here. We picked up external hard drive so that we have a little more storage capacity. We have no idea where we're staying tonight. Like zero.
But that's not abnormal for us.
Not abnormal. Go without a plan.
We were looking for showers, which we have yet to find. We go into the south entrance of Yosemite, and there are no public showers there.
First world problems. First world problems. Showers, laundromat. I'm sure they have a river that's about 34 degrees.
But you can't put soap.
No, you gotta soap up afterwards and let the sun bake it on. It's sunscreen too.
Surfing the crowd, everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage headline on a Saturday night.
Your legs hurting that bad, baby?
A little. How far do you think that is? Away from here? Yeah. Far away? Good.
It's 300 meters away.
So where are we at? I had to turn it off.
Yeah.
We are at
It's actually
Washburn
500
Point.
meters away.
And I believe that is half down there. And that is maybe Vernal Falls.
You just can't put it in words unless you see it with your own eyes. Amazing.
Round and round the world we'll go.
Alright,
But
Jordan,
it's not.
what's your first thoughts?
When I saw Half Dome or the waterfall.
Surprised me.
I liked Half Dome a lot. Half Dome is this huge rock. I wonder how much it weighs. It probably weighs a lot of tons. And the waterfall, I like the waterfall. I don't know how big it is. It looks pretty big from here. But I like the rock more.
Well, what do you think?
It's pretty cool. You can like hear it all the way from here. It's pretty neat. You can hear that one way in the back more than you can hear the first two.
Or maybe all the same thing.
No, you
Worth
can
it?
hear it way over there. Yeah,
Yeah?
very worth it.
Is that the animals know they're not in danger? They just hang out and do their thing. Like we should. Olivia, why are you so excited?
I get to shower.
What you looking for?
My dinner.
What are you cooking?
Chicken and broccoli. And then I'm adding chicken into it. Does not look like it came with chicken.
How many days have we been camping?
4.
And then 2 day and a half of driving to get here?
Yep.
So we're on what, day 5?
Yeah. Glad you didn't take me home.
No, I almost left you home.
Yeah.
Why?
left me.
This is why you don't leave pre-teenagers and teenagers unsupervised with, oh wait, where's it at? With fireworks.
Wasn't intentional. It was an accident.
Tell me about what just happened about 10 minutes ago.
10 minutes ago.
Or 20 minutes ago.
Oh yeah, we showered. Since 4 days.
Yeah.
Pretty stinky.
I thought you were tan.
I know, I said the same thing. I was like, whoa, it got so dark. And I was like, well, maybe it's just dirt. He asked Cole, I said that to Cole. He's like, maybe.
How do you play wash?
They have to be far apart. Usually people put
How far apart?
Usually people put a string. They're like 15 feet apart. Just stand in front of your thing when it's your turn,
Like up here, and then I throw it to there, right?
and you try to make it into that tube. I would
Okay.
say 5 points.
1 and 3, okay.
1 and 3, and our washers cancel the other ones out. Center ring's worth 3, outer ring is worth 1, and if I put 4 in the outer ring and you put 4 in the outer ring, we get 0. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Let's go, Dad! Oh, that's a no, wait. Aren't you supposed to go like?
Take turns?
Yeah.
Alternate. I don't know.
Yeah, when Coach runs out of his washers, it's Mom's turn.
I know that.
Okay. Alright.
Believe it or not, I played a lot of washers before, but not this style. Hold on, Mom and I are playing. Boogie, boo, 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 boo.
Cheater?
I think you need some medicine for your cough, Dad.
Yeah, I'm not feeling so good.
Oh!
Waka, baka, waka, wooga.
So you got 1 and I got 1 and I...
No, I got 1. I had 2 in there.
Okay, so but my 1 doesn't count,
Your 1 takes away 1 point of mine.
but I don't get it.
I got 2 points and you got 1 point.
That's what I'm asking.
So we net, I get 1, you get 0.
Why do I get 0?
Okay, I get 2 and you get 1. It's the same
No,
thing.
you said 1 cancels the other out. Okay,
Your point canceled out his.
Okay,
Canceled
that's
out mine. So I had 1. You take your 1 and knock down my 2.
I know,
You're
but I
left
should
with
still
0.
get 1 right
no,
there.
you shouldn't.
Will Dad be the winner? Well, maybe that's yours.
Oh, keep that up. That was almost a ring.
Down to
It's almost a ringer. It's like way outside.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh, you suck.
Or sink.
Pretty good at knocking dirt in the thing.
Oh!
Alright, so it's still 5-10? 3-10?
3-10.
3-10, that's a blowout.
Who's winning?
Blowout.
Who's winning?
I'm winning, but Mama gets to go first. She won the point.
Uh-oh, Amber's going first. Nope. Oh yeah, he said I got the point.
She covered me.
Jude.
Should be your turn going first, Dad. Cause if you tie. Oh yeah, he goes out strong, that's hard enough. He just let that second one. Does it hurt him a little bit? He has one more left. What will he do? Nothing!
So Amber, how do you feel about almost getting blown out?
Well,
It's not over yet.
yeah, it's not over yet. So.
Quite yet.
Dad, I'm going for Dad.
You're not humping your horn.
Oh yeah, go for Mom.
Okay.
Oh, Amber.
Oh, pressure's on.
Well, that, Amber, let
Oh,
that
it's gonna leave it wide open. All I gotta do is make one. Oh,
What will that do? Will he act strong?
I'm gonna probably.
Didn't work.
How you doing?
Oh, the throw on the run is not active. That goes.
Oh.
Well, he let this one hurt him. Or will he go for it? He goes. He goes. Will Amber go? She starts off strong. Oh, Amber goes. All right, it's 9-10.
No, time. That does not count. And when I form the
Yeah, it counts. It counts. It counts.
So Amber gets in the hole right here. She goes over. She needs 2 on the board in order to win. Well, we never had a comeback since 2012.
Trying to do it again.
That strong or will you? That first off, just the dirt, no problem. Second, he bounces off the board. Oh, he gets it in there for Amber, gets 2 points, and Dad gets Amber gets 1 point.
So I get 1 point?
1 point.
7-10.
Dad is still able to hold him to 1 point. Will that encourage him or encourage her? And Amber quickly starts off in the in the hole!
You just won!
You can't get no more.
Yeah.
No, I still have 4 things to go.
But don't worry.
Oh, Amber, don't try to go in there. Boo! Why'd you try to go for the hole? I know, I just tried to go for the box.
Okay, so she has 11.
Right here.
Yes.
All right.
You have 10.
Oh!
Woo!
Yes. What would that do? Will he come back or will he lose it afterwards? It's all tied up. Wait, now you have to go to 12.
10-10.
Yeah, you have to go to 12 now.
Yeah.
You have to win by 2?
Yeah.
Point game, 12.
What will Amber do? Will she act strong or she Amber acts strong but hits the floor with no problem. And Juke goes booga and it distracts Amber. No problem. It does not do nothing.
1 point.
You need 2 points.
Oh, I need 2 points.
Will Dad get 2 points? Oh no! Oh no. The game winner!
Game over.
Was that mic drop?
Boom, 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 boom!
But I almost had you.
Seriously, so this just landed on me after I moved. Where's the guy? Right here. What the heck? I thought he jumped back off of there and was like right here. He's gonna piss at you.
You thought.
Come on, I'm holding a light and a camera. No, with your finger. Gently. Don't hurt him. Sting me, I'm gonna be upset. I don't know what he is.
You pick him up.
I don't want to hurt him. It might be an endangered species. I mean, look at those eyes. Look at those antennae. That is awesome. What kind of bug are you? I mean, who has? Look at that. That is intense.